Make money from an e-commerce business. E-commerce is absolutely booming right now. In the US, e-commerce sales are expected to grow from $374.3 billion to $476.5 billion in 2024, a 39% increase. And more than 90% of customers reported that their online shopping frequency has increased due to COVID-19. If you're wondering how you can get a piece of the e-commerce pie, you're not alone. Whether you're chin deep in the e-commerce business world, or you're new to the game and ready to wade into the kiddie pool, here's how e-commerce businesses make money, what it takes to start a successful e-commerce business, and how e-commerce strategies can help your online business save more money. What is e-commerce? E-commerce is officially defined as commercial transactions conducted electronically over the internet. You know, electronic commerce. In other words, e-commerce is simply the buying or selling of anything online. From physical goods like t-shirts, pie tins, and hermit crab huts, to services such as online courses and consulting, to digital goods like software and ebooks, e-commerce is the word that sums up online buying or selling. How much money can you make with an e-commerce business? It's always difficult to answer budding e-commerce entrepreneurs when they ask, "How much money can I make with an e-commerce store?" The reason for this is simple. While there's no guarantee to make money, there's also no limit on the amount of money you'll be able to make. It doesn't matter whether you're looking to earn $10,000 plus every month, or you're just trying to save up some extra cash for a rainy day. As long as you're running your e-commerce business effectively, you'll be able to reach whatever financial goals you set for yourself. We've created this video to show you how to start making sales with your e-commerce business, and we've included some free tools which you can use to help you manage your finances. At the end of this video, you'll be filled with e-commerce ideas to make money for your own e-commerce store. Starting an e-commerce business. How do you start a successful e-commerce business? Are you ready to embrace the world of e-commerce? Great! Are you ready to sell, and make some money? Excellent! Are you nodding your head in agreement to all of these questions and suddenly realizing that you have no idea whatsoever on how to get an e-commerce business up and running? Well, guess what? You've stumbled across the right blog post. Here are a few things that you'll want to do to get your e-commerce business rolling down the runway towards takeoff. Decide on the product to sell. If you're going to start an e-commerce business, you're going to want to sell something. Are you interested in selling physical goods like baseball caps, cribbage boards, or coffee mugs? Or are you looking to sell digital goods like new software or ebooks? Trying to figure out what to sell can be a big brain drain for some e-commerce newcomers. But we've got news for you. It actually gets easier if you use tools available in the online market of e-commerce to avoid extreme brain drain. Choose your audience. Who are you looking to target? Camping enthusiasts? Humans looking to expand their education? The dog parent who spends 62% of their income on Greyhound Gromit's fashion wardrobe? Finding your audience is one of the best strategies to growing in e-commerce. Pick an e-commerce marketing platform. An e-commerce marketing platform will help you collect, organize, and put the goldmine of customer data from your e-commerce platform to good use. E-commerce models. There are a variety of e-commerce models, including making and selling. This model is just what it sounds like. You own the entire product and brand by making your own products and selling them through your own store. Working with a manufacturer. Have a great idea but aren't able to produce it yourself? This is the model for you. Work with a supplier to make the product you have in mind, then sell through your online shop. Wholesaling and warehousing. Curate and buy great products, store the inventory, and then sell the goods through your online store for a bit of a profit. You have total say over which products you sell, but you do have to buy them up front. Drop shipping. This method puts your store as a sort of middleman between consumer and supplier. Sell products from a variety of suppliers without ever having to buy products up front or store loads of inventory. Once an order is placed, the supplier handles the fulfillment and shipping. White and private labeling. White/private labeling involves an e-commerce store purchasing pre-made products, then applying its own private label to the product to make it a part of their brand. This is great for stores that specialize in making one product but want to supplement it with related products. How to generate traffic through marketing strategies. The fastest way to generate traffic to your online store is through marketing campaigns. There are a variety of different marketing channels which you can use to draw potential customers to your e-commerce store. Each marketing channel has unique benefits and works well for both multi-product and single-product businesses. We've broken down the different marketing channels which you can use to help you make the right decision for your e-commerce business. Social media marketing. Social media can be a great marketing channel to promote your business and generate traffic for your website without needing to spend money or create new content. Sharing blog articles, product and services, positive reviews, company news, and videos over social media in a non-sale way can help grow a community of avid followers who will share your content with others to help you grow your business. Search engine optimization. SEO, or search engine optimization, is necessary for every company to undertake regardless of their size. It is necessary as it is the optimum way to increase traffic hugely to your website without spending money on advertising. SEO, in its essence, is optimizing certain elements of your website so that search engines will rank you as close to the top of the search engine results page when users search for a group of keywords. When a website is young, it is best to spend time optimizing on-page elements like content optimization, meta title optimization, and image optimization. But as your website grows in reputation, off-page SEO, like link building and social media, can be a great way to boost your search engine rankings and increase your website traffic. It's time to start earning money. There is no doubt that e-commerce and dropshipping is profitable, and now you're equipped with some tools and knowledge which you need to reach your financial goals. It's time to start earning money. We just have one last piece of advice for you. Make sure that you test your marketing campaigns and your product prices. It'll really help you to grow your e-commerce store. You may find that your AdWords campaigns aren't successful, so you can then try out Facebook campaigns. You can also try adjusting the pricing of your products. If you find that your customers are willing to pay more, then you'll be able to spend more money on your marketing efforts. If you want to expand your business, it's recommended to hire an expert VA. In this way, you will see yourself growing fast. And if you don't have enough money to start an e-commerce store, then you can provide services on the platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. In 2021, the VA jobs on these platforms are seen to be spiking because of the COVID pandemic. So be sure to narrow down whether you want to start a store or become a VA. Thank you for listening up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel.